Bonjour! We are looking at how to pronounce the name of American and French actor who became particularly prominent with his performance in Call Me By Your Name movie, which earned him an Academy Award nomination for Best Actor, making him the third youngest nominee in this category. So how would you go about pronouncing his name? Well, there would be two different ways since he's both American and French. In French, we would pronounce his name Timothée Chalamet. Timothée Chalamet. The T at the end of his name is definitely silent, so do not pronounce it. In English or American, his name would usually be pronounced Timothée Chalamet. Timothée Chalamet. Or Timothée Chalamet. But in French, Timothée Chalamet. Timothée Chalamet. Here are many more names that you may want to nail the pronunciation of. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir.